click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
Hi you guys, first of all, so good to see you all. It really is. To those of you who I met yesterday, thank you. And to those of you I'm seeing you today, thank you for coming. I'm really sorry I got late. There are a million things that have been planned for me. मैं Bandra Kurla से आ रही थी and I'd forgotten Bombay for a little while कि गाड़ी में आपको 1.5 घंटा देना चाहिए instead of half an hour from Bandra to Juhu. But thank you so much for coming and I'm just really happy to be here and I'll let you do what you have to do.
Priyanka, very important question. Yeah, yes,
Thank
welcome,
you.
welcome please, welcome back.
Thank you.
Very, very important question. What is it that you can't do? Very importantly.
I can't do gymnastics, I can't cook, I can't... There are a lot of things I can't do.
I mean, you know, when we look
But the things that I do, those I do well.
and you do it I've lost words being a radio presenter, but you know, right from Alex Parrish all the way to Kashi Bai and now this one, Miss Leeds, if I can call you Miss Leeds, you've been killing it and stealing the thunder and everywhere it's just Priyanka Chopra. Baywatch has become Priyanka Chopra.
Oh God.
How does it feel?
No, please, Baywatch is not at all only Priyanka Chopra. Baywatch is an ensemble of some really incredible actors, 7 people who have come together, 6 lifeguards against me.
Okay.
That's how the film is.
But very interestingly, you know, we all know Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. How has it been working with him? He's been everyone's hero, right from his WWE days all the way to his film career. How has it been working with him?
He's wonderful. He is one of the, besides being an awesome friend, he's one of the nicest co-actors I've ever worked with. Extremely professional, very, very smart. In fact, he has a very special message for all of you. Do we have it? Can we play it, please? This is a message for you guys in the media from Dwayne Johnson.
Okay, this is a very special message to the country of India. From what I am told, this is going to be playing at a very big press conference right now, based around someone who's very, very, very important to me, very, very special to me, someone who's incredibly talented. She's kind of, sort of attractive, and the best part about this woman is she is so good at being bad. And of course, I'm talking about Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka, I love you. You're the best. Right now, I'm pretty sure I'm making her blush. Yep. But I just wanted to say, guys, I'm so sorry that I couldn't be there. Priyanka and myself, we had talked about for months, hopefully coming to India. It would have been my first time to India. I cannot wait to come. I wish I could have joined her this time. I'm here in Atlanta, shooting Rampage right now. We just wrapped Ballers. But I am there in spirit. And hold on, there's more stuff I'm supposed to say. Sorry I can't be there in India. I already said that. I love working with Priyanka. Baywatch, I don't need this. Listen, I love working with Priyanka. She was truly the best. Had the best time with her. You talk about a girl who really kicks ass in a way that is believable and legit. Well, Priyanka's the one. So I had a blast working with her. I had a blast working with the whole cast. Can't wait for you guys to see Baywatch. I really think you're going to enjoy the movie and enjoy the press conference. Make sure that you ask Priyanka a lot of questions about me. Not Zach, not the beautiful women who are amazing in the movie, but me. Because it's good for my ego. India, I wish I was there. And I do want to say this, a very special message to India. Over the years, whether it was my WWE career or my movie career, you have shown such incredible, incredible love and support to me. I just want to take a quick moment just to say thank you so much. I look forward to one day coming to your great country and saying hello and showing my gratitude in person. Until then, Priyanka Chopra, take it away. I love you so much. Can't wait for everybody to see you in Baywatch because you are a kick-ass villain. Every superhero movie needs an amazing villain, and Priyanka Chopra is the one. All right, India, I'm out. And I just littered all on my property, so I'm gonna pick this up and then see you later.
That was Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. You know, we all remember him do "If You Smell What The Rock Is." I think the ladies remember it more than the men. Right. Remember that? Yeah. So I think this is fabulous. I think
Yeah, he was very, very sad that the Baywatch team couldn't come, and so were they. Everybody was really looking forward to coming to India, but we have a very short span of time that we have to promote. So, बंद कर दो lights, please. नहीं तो मुझे डांट पड़ेगी, guys. Yeah, so they were really, really sad that they couldn't come. So here am I
But
instead.
very interestingly, when I think of Baywatch, the immediate synonym for Baywatch is the slow-mo run. The interesting slow-mo run. And do we have one of your scenes capturing that?
स्लो मो रन तो मैंने ही सिखाई है उनको, हम सालों से तो हम ही कर रहे
हमने
हैं.
सिखाया उनको.
मैंने जाके बोला देखो
हाँ.
टीचर मैं हूँ स्लो मोशन की. You all want it on or off? Off. Okay, so off. Off is okay. Consensus. Thanks. हम कहाँ थे?
हम slow-mo run में थे, आप सिखा रहे थे.
हाँ, मैं कह रही थी कि स्लो मोशन तो हम लोगों का मतलब हमारी खासियत है ना.
जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार.
Of course, especially Hindi movie actors. So, obviously, Baywatch has a lot of slow motion. They run, but I walk. Because Victoria doesn't run for anyone.
Nice. Very cool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to throw the questions and open for you all. Please name your organization or your newspaper and then please ask the question. Thank you very much.
Hi.
Two things.
I'm okay standing, I think. Hi.
Two things. How conscious was this choice to, like do a very campy, mainstream, Hollywood tentpoler after doing Quantico? I mean, you could have picked whatever you like.
It was a conscious choice because, sorry. It was a conscious choice, I guess, to do a big tentpole movie. It's my first movie in Hollywood, so let's not assume it's the same kind of thing that happens in America. People didn't know me very much. The kind of films that came to me were very interesting because of Quantico. You can't just arrive there and say, okay, mujhe picture chahiye. You know, people have to come to you. So after Quantico, it was really nice that I got some amazing films. Out of the films that were offered to me, I liked Baywatch the most because one, it was a huge, big, like global movie. I was a Baywatch fan when I was growing up. And second, I was playing the villain in the film. So I liked the idea कि मैं अपनी पहली film में कुछ, that I'm doing something different. I mean, you all know me more than anything. I've always tried to make my career a little bit to the left. Always, I've chosen little different paths. That's what excites me. So I wanted, after Alex Parrish, America to get introduced to me as something completely different because Alex is such a positive character. So completely bad was a lot of fun.
Priyanka, in an interview with the Hollywood Reporter, Joshua Safran, the creator of Quantico, said that he's not sure if a third season may happen because you guys are still figuring out the storyline and stuff. So
No, that's not the reason.
Okay.
What happens is after every season, and I'm sure that happens with Hindi television. I mean, in Hindi television as well. मुझे नहीं पता था, मैंने भी अभी नया सीखा है, so I'll also enlighten you all. After every season, the channel goes back and they do like a consensus कि उनकी कौन से shows should come back for a next season, which shows they are cancelling, what their budgets are. So right now we are on that place. So even after season 1, we didn't know if season 2 was coming back till I think May. So we are still waiting in May to find out if there will be a season 3 or not.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm seeing you after so long. How are you? Yes. I play the villain, yes. Zor se bolna suna. Have I oh. I've played a villain in Hindi films before. जैसे, सात खून माफ हो गया, ऐतराज, of course. Right. So, no, I wanted Victoria to be a very different. I mean, female villains हमने देखे भी नहीं है ना ज़्यादा हिंदी फिल्मों में, or like characters. We've seen Kajol, who was amazing, one of my favorites. But we've seen very few, even in, especially in Hindi films. So I wanted Victoria to be very, very feminine, but at the same time evil. There's something very scary about that.
Hi Priyanka, this is Sohail. Yeah, on your right,
Sohail.
right. Yeah,
Hi,
Sohail. Welcome. Just needed to, you are representing India as well as Bollywood actually in Hollywood. So anything like when you
और भी लोग हैं यार वहाँ पे
नहीं
सिर्फ मुझ पे मत
हम अभी फिलहाल के लिए actually in the recent time. So any conscious effort from your side, like you're trying to represent Bollywood. तो ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो खास ध्यान में रखते हो? जैसे आपने कहा कि अभी स्लो मोशन आपने उनको सिखाया, तो ऐसी कोई
मतलब मैं मजाक कर
हाँ
रही
नहीं नहीं ठीक है, ऐसे कोई
सीरियसली नहीं, क्लास नहीं दी थी मैंने नहीं मैं yes it's a good question actually because I do want to address it. एक बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप होता है हमारी फिल्मों को लेकर और इंडियंस को लेकर इंटरनेशनली, वेस्ट में, सिर्फ अमेरिका में नहीं, वेस्ट में भी, जो हम सब ने शायद एक्सपीरियंस किया हो, सुना होगा, यू नो कि क्या हमारे रोड्स पे एलिफेंट्स चलते हैं कि नहीं, हम लोग इंग्लिश अच्छे से कैसे बोलते हैं, यू नो थिंग्स लाइक दैट, कि ऑल आर फिल्म्स, यू नो हमारी फिल्में जस्ट रैंडम ब्रेकआउट इनटू सॉन्ग एंड डांस होती हैं, सडनली डांसर कहाँ से आ जाते हैं, सो देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो what is conscious from my end is whenever I walk onto a set, I want them to know that I'm an actor who knows my job. I want them, like I want people to never question कि मार्क पे कैसे खड़ा होना था. मुझे अपना काम बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है और वो मुझे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने सिखाया है. So in that way, if I do good work and people work with me, then the representation of everything that I have learned by the Hindi film industry and the directors that I have worked with, तो वो करेक्ट होता है. तो वो आई ट्राई एंड डू राइट. आई ट्राई टू प्ले कैरेक्टर्स, जैसे एलेक्स विक्टोरिया से बहुत अलग होगी, जस्ट लाइक आई हैव डन इन माई हिंदी फिल्म्स एज वेल. एंड सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल, आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लेन टू पीपल कि हमारा जो कल्चर होता है ना, हमको आई मीन गाना बजाना तो बचपन से ही होता है. बच्चा पैदा होता है तो हम डांस करते हैं, बर्थडे होता है हम डांस करते हैं, अगर अभी म्यूजिक बजाते तो अभी भी हम लोग डांस कर लेंगे, आप लोग भी और मैं भी. तो यू नो हमारी कहानियाँ जो होती हैं, दे आर टोल्ड बाय म्यूजिक. दैट इज़ अ वे ऑफ टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. इंस्टेड ऑफ अ सीन वी हैव अ सॉन्ग. And so I try and explain to people that it's a cultural difference. But besides that, I think it's really cool that now that people have gotten to know me, जो मेरे शो को भी देखते हैं, उन्होंने कितनी सारी मेरी हिंदी फिल्में देखी हैं, and people like write to me and talk to me about the first time they've watched like Bajirao Mastani or Barfi, and it's really so much fun for me to, you know, have that sort of cultural exchange.
प्रियंका, hi प्रियंका, मेरा सवाल हाय प्रियंका, आपके सेंटर
Found you.
हाँ, मैं अनुप्रिया हूँ, दैनिक जागरण डिजिटल से. मेरा सवाल है कि आपने इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को कितना मिस किया और आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म, पहली हिंदी फिल्म कौन सी होने जा रही है?
फिर से पहली होगी 15 साल के बाद. गाइस
अभी कौन सी?
अभी तो थी. चलो ये अच्छा है. आई डोंट माइंड गोइंग टू ग्राउंड जीरो अगेन. मुझे न्यू कमर बोलना फिर से. Because I don't know season 3 का क्या हो रहा है. I'm listening to a lot of बहुत सारे filmmakers आए who have come and met me in New York. A lot of filmmakers I have met here. There are about a lot of scripts I like, but once I know what my schedule is, then only I can figure out when I can do a film. I can tell you for sure I have locked 3, but I can't announce them till I know my dates. And I don't know when I'll do it. अगले साल होगा, इस साल होगा, end में होगा. अभी I know I have to go for Baywatch. So जून के बाद मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. And I definitely missed Hindi films. I missed Bombay. ये मेरा घर है, ये मेरे लोग हैं, ये मेरा इंडस्ट्री है. And I've had so much fun meeting everyone in the last couple of days. मैं सिर्फ 5 दिन के लिए आई हूँ and I'm meeting people every single day. So it's been a really wonderful homecoming.
Priyanka, hi.
I can't choose. I'm under contract with ABC. Until they want Quantico, I have to do it. That's just, I mean, like how you are under contract with films, so you can't just walk off halfway and say tata, thanks. So it really depends.
Priyanka, hi.
थोड़ी ठंडा कर सकते हैं इस कमरे को? मेरी काफी बुरी हालत हो रही है.
I think it's you.
Really? My God, did you tell anybody? Guys, let's up the ante now of the AC. Thank you, Sanjay ji.